back to the channel. VRASITY VRA has been a phenomenal mover for us so far. We got some really good entries. So if you guys saw my first video, price was around this area, and we did say that price was going to move back down to our 78.6 fib level before we saw price reverse. And obviously, if you did buy, if you waited for price to actually go to that level and then bought, congratulations to you. You would be up, let's just do the maths, you'd be up significantly anyway. Let's just do the maths. You'll be up 63% so far. Not bad. Now, there's some big news on VRA at the moment. The patent announcement. So I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but the World Intellectual Property Office confirms publication of VRASITY International, which is an international patent application, and this is a good milestone for VRASITY. I mean, we could do with any good form of fundamental data at the moment. Now, this hasn't actually been priced into the market yet, but I do believe that this is going to be a big month for VRASITY. So if you happen to watch this video, I mean, congratulations, because the next time we watch this video, we're going to see price at different level, and I'm excited for that. But where do we go from here? So as you can see, we've now recovered, bounced back from that 61.8 fib level, and 78.6 fib level, and we actually saw price pull back 54%. So that was a 54% drawdown from its all-time highs, and this all took place in April. So there was a lot of movement in April. Now we're just ranging comfortably above the 50%. I believe now we're going to start to see price slowly trend to the upside. I'm not sure if we're going to see a sharp pop to the upside, but I do believe we're going to trend. So something along these lines. Let me just draw this in. So we could see price, slowly move to the upside. And then once we finally get out, then obviously, we'll see price pop. So something like that. So typically, I know what everybody wants to see is this, straight line, rally. I don't think that's going to happen. I think it's going to be a more gradual process and slowly trend to the upside, which is fine, which is completely fine. I mean, as long as price moves to the upside, that's all we care about, right? And as you can see with price, doing that similar pattern here, we see price slowly rally to the upside, but it happens like in a straight line sort of method. We saw the same thing moving down, whereas as you guys are aware, some cryptocurrencies, we do not see this, right? We see something along the lines of, let's say, I was going to go to another price chart, but I think we'll just leave it for now. I think you guys get my point. We see more of a sharp bullish candle, and we don't see that, that slow trend to the upside. And as I always like to say, guys, slow and steady wins the race, right? And it goes to show how well the technicals can work in the crypto space as well. So anybody that tells you, you can't use it in the crypto space, just show them, our first video, show them this video, and then show them what's happening now, and you will see that we've been highly accurate. So our next potential setups, or the next thing we expect from VRA is for prices to slowly trend to the upside, which we are okay with. We do believe it's going to be a good month for VRA, and hopefully that fundamental price data can start to be priced in. I'm going to stay on top of the fundamental data that comes our way on this as well, because of course that's a pivotal factor in the overall direction of this cryptocurrency. And in fact, that's the decider of whether we hold this for a year, or we hold this for the next 5 to 10 years, and it all depends on the fundamental data. Of course, we know we're in a bull market, which is why we're seeing, a lot of cryptocurrencies rally across the board. But the point is, for this to last, we need to see that overall overall fundamental data that can, you know, hold this project solid. But that's about it for now, guys. I don't see us moving back to the downside. Super excited about where we go from here. Currently just ranging. So if we go on a 1 day time frame, 1 day time frame, sorry. Yep. Trading view is currently frozen. Let me just refresh this. Yep, this does happen sometimes, guys. And as you can see, it's brought up a FX chart. Let's just see what we have here. Go to crypto and we'll go to, there we go. So let's just go on the daily time frame. So yeah, we've got something interesting on our hands at the moment, guys. For specific targets and entries, make sure you click the link in my description and sign up to our Crypto Crew Premium. And if I haven't said it already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Very, very important. And it's important to understand nothing that you see in this video is financial advice either. So always make sure to do your own research. Click the link in my description. Join the free Telegram group so you can stay up to date on all our recent crypto updates, crypto gems, etc. More updates like this one and also news. So pause the video, do that now, and don't forget we've recently dropped our Crypto Crew classes so you can learn to trade like a professional and learn to do what we did here, how we predicted price would go all the way down, but not only go down but rally off this area. And as you can see, guys, we're loading up to completely moon. And I can't wait to give you guys the next update. But that's it for now. Nothing too major, nothing too complicated. Currently in a range. So break, and then we're seeing price slowly trend back to the upside. But with that being said, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the link in my description. And I'll speak to you all soon. Seize the day.